Subscribe to Rohit Dange channel and press that bell icon to get notification related to technology right into your notification squad. Hi everyone, this is Rohit Dange back with this another video. So let's get started with our today's product. We have Amazon's latest third generation Echo Dot, which is also called as Echo Dot 3. So let's begin. So let's unbox this. First of all, after opening the box, we see this Amazon Echo Dot 3, which is fully covered with the plastic and which smells really very nice after opening this box. Down here we see some paperworks, which is all the related to Echo Dot 3, its instruction manual and all its skills written on that. Let's keep all this aside in this. After opening the next panel, we see the Amazon Echo Dot 3 charger, which is 15 watt and which is the power supply for this Echo Dot 3. And there is a thin pin given down here which we can connect the socket to here. Price shown over here is of 5,000 written over here, but actually the price at the Amazon is 4,500. Okay, so this is the Alexa Echo Dot 3, which is very fine and which is very lightweight and which can be carried anywhere. Let's remove this plastic. After removing the plastic, it looks like it's really fabric cloth. So this is the Amazon Echo Dot 3. It's the most affordable model and the easiest way to get yourself in the world of voice assistant. This year, Amazon launched the third edition of this little Echo Dot, giving it a fresh new look that is more in line with its fabric round and also improved audio quality. Visually, the new Echo Dot looks like the second generation Echo Plus, the same design but with the round edges, which makes it look like a burger patty. The sides are now covered in a fabric which is non-removable. The top has a matte plastic with the 4 buttons for the volume, Alexa and mute. Previously in the Echo Dot 2, there was a ring which we used to turn the volume up and down, but now in this we have the volume buttons given. But as we'll do everything controlled on the voice, it gets the job done. The Echo Dot has a ring that goes around the top edge. It glows blue when the Alexa is listening to you, and it lights white when you adjust the volume. It will also flash red when there is an issue with an internet connection or stay red when Alexa is muted. Because the ring is on the edge, it can be seen from the top as well as from the side. So you can easily see if the device is kept at or below eye level in the room. On the back there are 2 ports, one where you plug in the power adapter and the other an auxiliary out for the connecting to the powered speakers. You can also connect your Alexa to the other speakers with your Bluetooth device within 1 meter range, as well as you can connect it with the aux cable. You can ask for currency conversion, recipes, celebrity information, musics, weather forecast, sports score and lots more. Okay, and not just with this, you can ask over 15,000 skills to Alexa. For this, just download the Alexa app and visit the skills section. Connecting to the Alexa is simple. Just hold the activate button for 6 seconds and the Alexa gets ready to connect with your Wi-Fi. All you need is the Alexa app, either in Android or in Apple. Connecting to the Wi-Fi needs more than 512 kbps speed. The third generation Echo Dot is definitely improved in the terms of the design and sound. The sound is still not great overall for the music, but it's perfectly fine for the Alexa or the things like podcast and audiobooks. And you can always connect it to a better set of speakers. Talking about the price, comparatively to the previous model, it costs 1000 more. This device comes at rupees 4,499, which is the cheapest assistant in today's date. This is all about the Alexa. If you like this video, please thumbs up for this video and don't forget to click the subscribe button. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till that, goodbye.